Hey stock traders, Jonathan Walker here from Transparent Traders, and today I'm going to talk to you and go over in this tutorial video for Webull how to set a buy order with a stop loss and with your take profit sell order all in one transaction so that you don't have to go back in there and keep messing with it. So let's get up that Webull desktop platform pulled up and let's go over it. Alright everybody, so we have the Webull desktop platform set up. As you can see here, this is the screen right here we're going to be looking at. This is your place order screen. So what we're going to do is we're going to come in here and we're going to look at stock ticker FEDU for seasons. Basically, to show you how to create this all in one, I'm going to show you how to buy, set your buy order, set your stop loss order, and your take profit to sell all in the same transaction. So for an example, what I'd like to do is I want to come in here and I want to mark it as buy, and this will be just like doing it on your mobile device. So you want to do buy, limit order, then you're going to come in here and you can say I want to buy 100 shares, and then you're going to say, just for the simple fact that I don't really want to buy this right now, I'm going to say I want to buy it for $1.40. Alright, you can leave this as day. I would choose good to cancel. You can do extended hours. So then you're going to say stop loss and turn it on, and then you're going to say take profit order. So if I buy this at 140, my stop loss is going to be 126, and you can change that to whatever you're comfortable with, anywhere from 2%, 4%, 5%. It doesn't matter. I'm going to put this at $1.20. And then my take profit, I want it at $3. So once you get all that in, you will hit place order. It'll ask you to verify it. So my primary order is this. None of these other ones will fall into place unless the primary order is executed. So then you'll say confirm. And as you can see here over on your screen, you have an open order to buy 100 shares of stock ticker FEDU at $1.40. Your stop loss order is already there. It's set up for 14% loss, and it would automatically sell. And then you have your profit sell order as well on there. So there you go, folks. Pretty much simple. This is how you do a limit buy order with a stop loss and a take profit order all in the same transaction. So with that being said, y'all have a great weekend. As always, base hits pad the wallet. Johnny Red out.